Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the form. This ensures you have edit or view rights. Once done, open Google Drive or go directly to Google Forms and locate the item. Make sure you open the form in edit mode so the sharing controls appear. This step matters because view-only mode hides the direct link options. If you can't find it, use Drive search with the form title to surface it quickly. Now that the form is open, click the Send button at the top right. This reveals sharing methods. Next, click the link icon to display the form's URL and use Shorten URL if you want a cleaner link. Then click Copy. Make sure to check response settings first, for example, collect email addresses or restrict to organization, because those choices affect who can access the link and submit responses. Once copied, the link is ready to finally paste the copied link into your desired channel, whether email, chat, or a website embed. This is how respondents will access the form. After sharing, test the link in an incognito or different account to confirm permissions behave as expected. If testers see an access denied message, return to the send dialog and update who can respond, switch to anyone with the link, or add specific collaborators. If problems persist, check the form's owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.